Hi, Rachel. So this form aims for posing your design here, and you can put your achromatic and monochromatic scale to your design, and me and Linda we will see whether your design fails because of poor achromatic and monochromatic scale, and then you can revisit. Uh, so right so right now for your design, I think the first step could go a little bit um, well, I think the first step is good, but it could go a little bit lighter, and this go darker, tiny bit darker, a little bit lighter. Kind of good, but should be a little bit lighter. Good and good. So, I just want to let you know, usually, usually you need to make sure you have successful vanishing boundaries between achromatic and monochromatic scales, and then you make sure you have equal value contrast between each steps. So right now, you're like for you, the first step is making sure you have successful vanishing boundaries. So step two, step three, four, five. Well, five is kind of I think five is good, but could be a little, could be a tiny bit darker. This is also kind of good. Good. I think you have better job in darker value compared with the lighter value. But first, one, two, three. So that's step one to step four. Definitely need some work. And let me know if you have any other questions. I think you can put I think you can revisit your skill and fix the problems first, and then apply those two skills to your design. And then we will see whether you have a successful skill or not. Um, I think right now, even for your achromatic skills, I think you also need some work for your achromatic skills because that's step three, four, five, six. Those steps, the value contrast were very low. Well, they're not. Well, can't say they're grouping, but they're almost compare with the step one to step two, 7 to 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. A step 8 to 9, 7 to 8. Compare with those steps value contrast are much higher than a step 3 to step 6. So rethink about it and make sure you have successful achromatic skills first, and then vanishing boundaries, and then equal value contrast between each monochromatic skills. Let me know if you still have any other questions about your work.